So today I'm going to be talking about food blessings, specifically from the Mishnah, Berachot 35a is from chapter 6. Two that you're going to be taught today are the blessing over grapes or wine and over fruit that grows from the tree. So the Mishnah says, how does one recite a blessing over fruit? Over different fruits that grow on a tree, one recites who creates fruit of the tree, with the exception of wine. So in this case, before we would eat this apple, we would say, Borei pri ha etz, which means the fruit of the tree, who gives the fruit from the tree. The second blessing over the wine or fruit of the grape is fruit of the vine. So Borei pri ha gefen. So before we would eat these, that's what we would say before we drink a glass of wine or a cup of grape juice. That is what we would say. So, to eat the apple, we would say, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei pri ha'etz. Take a bite of the apple. And that is how we would give the blessing back to Hashem for the apple. So for the grape or for wine or a cup of juice, specifically grape juice, then we would say, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei pri ha'gefen. Eat the grapes, drink the wine, whatever you want to do. So that's how that would work. If you are interested in this, then the Mishnah comes from Berachot, chapter 6, 35a is where it starts. And then it talks about the Mishnah and this Gemara specifically. And next we'll talk about bread and all the other foods that are biblically clean, Levitical foods or kosher foods, if you will. From then, we also have several different blessings, and I will give you the portion of the Torah where they come from afterwards. But I hope that this helps you, so that way you realize that it isn't just a bunch of malarkey or a bunch of crap. We actually do bless our food, but it's not the food that we're blessing, it's actually God that we're blessing for giving us the food. So it is a way of saying thank you before we even eat the food. It must be consecrated.